So let's proceed about division of rational numbers. These are the steps in dividing rational numbers. First, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, or called as the divisor, and the second is multiply it by the first fraction. So in symbol, we have a over b divided by c over d. Our first fraction is a over b, and our second fraction is c over d. So yung first step na gagawin natin, we need to take first the reciprocal of the second fraction. It will become a over b, just copy our first fraction, and then find or take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is c over d. So it will become d over c. And then after taking the reciprocal of the second fraction, we will proceed to the next step, which is multiplying the first fraction. So, in multiplying, madali lang yung gagawin natin. I-multiply lang yung numerator and denominator. Our numerators are a and d, and our denominators are b and c. So, it will become a times d and b times c. Where b and c are not equal to 0, hindi pwedeng maging equal to 0 ang ating b and c para hindi siya maging undefined, no value, or error. Meaning, magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang value. Kapag ka po kasi 0 ang ating denominator, mawawalan siya ng value. Let us have an example. Divide 4 over 5 or 4/5 divided by 2/3 or 2 over 3. So take first the reciprocal of the second fraction. Our first fraction is 4/5 and our second fraction is 2/3. So that is equivalent to copy first the first fraction, 4/5, and then change your operation from division to multiplication, and then put the reciprocal of the second fraction. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2 or 3 over 2. And then multiply numerators and denominators. So that is equal to 4 times 3 and 5 times 2. 4 times 3 is equal to 12 and 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Let us reduce our answer into lowest term. So, kailangan nating mag-isip ng number na pwedeng i-divide kay 12, pwede ding i-divide by 10. So, ano kaya yon? Okay, very good. So, that is 2. Para makuha natin si lowest term, we need to divide 2 both or pareho kay 12 at saka kay 10. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, 6 over 5 is our final answer.